Hello students, myself Karishma Datta from Saraswat International Academy. I am going to teach to standard 10th English medium, subject social science, chapter number 10, India Agriculture, part 5. Okay students, before starting with today's topic, that is beverage, we shall do the revision of the further topics that we have seen. The introduction part of agriculture, how much agriculture is useful for the country, right, and how much part do agriculture takes in the national product or in the economy. That was being seen in the introduction part. Even we have seen with the types of farming, methods of farming. Okay, we have seen with the cereals, that is paddy, wheat, jowar, bajra, okay, maize. Even we have seen with oil seeds, pulses, right, that much part we have seen in the further parts. And today we'll start with the part that is the beverage over here, student, means what? Hot drinks. Okay, so first beverage is one, which one? That is the tea is the plant of a tropical as well as temperate zone. Okay, it is a plant of hot zone also and a temperate zone also plant. Okay, which plant? That is tea. It can be grown at tropical zone also and at the temperate zone also. The tea leaf and its tender sprout are processed and its powder and small leaves are used in drinks. Okay, the tender sprout over here, tender, student, means like cutting, right? Cutting of the sprout over here means shoots. Okay, shoot of a plant, right, that is been cut down and it has been processed and it's powder. That means powder, it is made in a powder form. And small leaves are used in drinks. The small leaves of the tea are there, they are used for what? That is for drinks. Next, India produced maximum tea after China. After China, India produced the maximum tea. Okay, Sri Lanka, China, and India are leading tea exporter. Okay, Sri Lanka, China, and India are said to be the leading what? Tea exporter. That means they export tea to the other countries. Next, slopy land where the water easily flow down and good iron contain. Okay, what type of land is being needed for the cultivation of tea? That is slopy land is being needed, and where easily water flows down, water comes down easily, and the soil, the water, the land should be good, having good iron content. Okay, 20 degree to 30 degrees Celsius temperature is being needed for the cultivation of the plant, that is tree. Okay, how much Celsius? 20 degree to 30 degrees Celsius temperature is needed for the cultivation of the plant, that is tea. Next, and about 200 centimeter of rainfall coming in the form of shower throughout the year are favorable condition for tea plantation. And about 200, how much centimeter of rainfall? 200 centimeter of rainfall coming in the form of shower, and coming in form of what? That is shower. Okay, throughout the year are favorable conditions for tree plantation, are said to be the favorable condition for what? That is for tea plantation. Next, tea is grown more in Assam, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Assam and West Bengal produce West Assam and West Bengal produce about 75% tea of the nation. Okay, tea is grown more in Assam, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. These are the states where tea has been grown, but 75% of tea of the nation is grown by two states, that is Assam and West Bengal. Student, you need to note it very clearly that Assam and West Bengal are the producers of how much? From 100%, 75% of tea is been grown by them. Next, the tea leaves are very skillfully plucked from the plants, what they're saying over here, like they need to pluck the leaf very skillfully. Okay, very skillfully they are, the tea leaves are being plucked from the plants. Okay, we have done with the tea part. So now we have done with the which part? That is coffee. Coffee is read over the slopes of mountains in the shades of large tree in such a way that no direct sunlights fall on the coffee leaf. Okay, what are they saying over here? Coffee is reared over the slope of mountains in the shades of large trees. Okay, like this is the plant of what, that is coffee. So it has been shed by what, that is the large trees are being shed over here, right? Because direct sunlight is not good for the coffee leaf. Okay, next, the coffee crop need how much centimeter of rainfall? 150 to 200 centimeter of rainfall is being needed. And how much of temperature is being needed? 15 degree to 28 degree Celsius temperature is being needed for that. Slopy mountain land, same like tea plantation, mountain land slopy should be there. Cotton is grown in abundance in Karnataka. Sorry, coffee is grown in abundance in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, coffee is grown where? In abundance in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Next, Gur area of Karnataka is well-known region for coffee production. That is a Kurg region of where, that is of Karnataka, is well-known region for coffee production. Next, coffee seeds are extracted out of the nuts and grind, and then it is used as drink. Okay, coffee seeds are extracted from the nut. There is a nut. Means this is a nut, and from inside, from this, what is being taken out? Seeds are being taken out, and it is being grind, and it is used as what, that is drinks. Okay, now we'll move on with the cocoa. Cocoa is prepared out of the seeds of the cocoa fruit. Cocoa is a beverage, it's an hot drink. Okay, cocoa is prepared out of the seeds of cocoa fruit, right? Or is as a fruit, and from that what is been taken out? Cocoa seed is been taken out from the fruit. Okay, then next, chocolate is been prepared from cocoa. Okay, from cocoa, what has been prepared? Chocolate has been prepared. It requires hot humid climate and excessive rainfall. Okay, for this plantation of cocoa, what has been seen, that hot and humid climate is been needed. Okay, and even excessive more rainfall is been needed for it. Next, African countries are the major producer of cocoa production in is on increasing in Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu state. Okay, more producer of cocoa is African countries, but in India, the leading or increasing cocoa production is being seen in Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Okay, now we'll move on with the cash crop. By completing the topic, that is beverage, now we shall move on with the cash crop. Okay, student, what is cash crop? We need to know. A crop produced for its commercial value rather than for use of the grower. Okay, that are said to be as cash crop. That means for increasing the commercial, that is for increasing the financial base. Okay, financial base, right? For that reason, these are said to be as cash crop. And one cash crop is, that is cotton. Now, cotton is a kharif crop. Kharif crop means monsoon crop. Cotton holds an important place in the cash crop in Gujarat and in India. Okay, cotton is said to be as what crop? Kharif crop. Cotton holds an important place as a cash crop. Okay, an important place as what? As a cash crop in Gujarat and in India. Next, at world level, India is the second place in the production, usage, and export of cotton. At world level, India is at what place? Second place in even in the production, even for its usage, and even for exporting the cottons. Next, cotton without seed is obtained from the cotton plant. Okay, cotton without seed is obtained from the cotton plant. This cotton is known as white gold in India. Okay, the cotton without seed is obtained from the cotton plant. This is said to be as what? This is known as what? That is white gold in India. So student, this is very much important point. It may come to you for what, that is for objective, so you need to note it out. Okay, next. Beside this, cotton oil is used to prepare edible oil, and its seeds and its oil cake are used as animal food. Okay, beside cotton seed, oil is also used as edible, right? It is used for edible, for food purpose. Okay, for making food, right? This oil and its seeds and oil cake are used as animal fodder. It are used as what? As an animal fodder, animal food. Okay, the seeds and the oil cake which has been remained of the cotton, that has been used for animal food. Next, black lava soil which can retain humidity for a long time, soil with plenty of mineral content, hot humid climate, 20 degree to 35-degree temperature and 30 to 70 centimeter rainfall, etc. are favorable condition for cotton. Okay, what type of soil is being needed, student? Black lava soil is being needed, which can retain humidity for time, soil with plenty of mineral. The soil should be having plenty of mineral content, hot and humid climate is being needed, 20 degree to 35-degree temperature and 30 to 70 centimeter of rainfall is being needed for the favorable conditions. These are all the favorable conditions for what? That is for cotton. Next, the growing season for cotton is about 6 to 8 months. Okay, how much month is been taken for growing the cotton? That is 6 to 8 month is been taken. Frost damaged the cotton crop. In India, major cotton producing states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, etc. Okay, frost over here, student, means that is the process of freezing. Okay, what do you mean by froze? The process of freezing. Because of freezing, the cotton plant gets damaged. And in India, major cotton producing states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, etc. Next, as the farmer of Gujarat have accepted BT cotton seed, Gujarat stands first in India in area sown productivity, total production and quality of cotton. Okay, the farmer of Gujarat have accepted what type of cotton? That is the BT cotton seed. Okay, BT over here, student, means over here that is genetic modified. It is genetic modified insect resistance plant. Okay, it's a BT cotton seed, where this BT cotton in these BT cotton seed, what has been seen that first the cotton was been destroyed by the insect, and this is now genetic modified seed, which has been not been destroyed by whom? That is by the insect, right? So this BT cotton seed is being accepted by the Gujarat, by the farmers of Gujarat, and because of that, the area sown, the productivity and total production and quality of cotton is being seen, where? That is in Gujarat, and Gujarat stands first for the production of cotton. Cotton is grown more in Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Sabarkantha, Mehsana, Botad, Bharuch, Kheda, Surat, Panchmahal, Amreli, Bhavnagar, Patan, Junagadh, Jamnagar district. Okay, these all are the district where more cotton is being seen in Gujarat. Okay, these districts produce more cotton in Gujarat, and from this, student, at least you need to remember any eight. Okay, any 8 or any 6, you need to remember it, and you need to write it even over here. Okay, and don't forget this part. When the cash crop comes and cotton part come, so this sentence should be written like, BT cotton seed, Gujarat stands first in India in area sown, productivity, total production and quality of cotton. This is an important line which you need to write in the cotton part. Okay, students. Okay, students, so now we will see with the map of 10 cotton producing states of India. Okay, the 10 most states, top 10 states of India where more cotton is being produced. We'll see that. Okay, so we'll see over here how much cotton producing states we can see. Okay, the first one is, that is Gujarat, that is 1,000 tons. How much 1,000 tons? That is 9,700,000 tons of cotton production is done, that is from Gujarat. Gujarat ranked first. Then comes Maharashtra, 6,500. Okay, then comes Telangana with 3,860,000 tons of production has been done. Then comes Andhra Pradesh, that is 2,400. Then comes Madhya Pradesh, 2,008. Then comes Karnataka, 1,600. Then comes Haryana, that is 1,350. Then comes Rajasthan, that is 1,320. Then comes Punjab, 450, and then comes Odisha, that is 400. So these are the top 10, which top 10 states of India which produce cotton in thousand of ton, and which leads over here, that is Gujarat. And what is the reason of Gujarat leading in the production of cotton? Because Gujarat farmers have started using which type of cotton seed? That is BT cotton seeds is being used by them. These are genetic modified seeds. Okay, so because of that reason, Gujarat leads what for what? That is for the production of cotton in India. Okay, now we'll see over here. You can see the map very easily. Like here, the leading one is Gujarat, the first one. Then comes the Maharashtra. Then comes the Telangana. Then Andhra Pradesh. Then Madhya Pradesh. The fifth one, the sixth one, the Karnataka. Okay, the seventh one, that is the Haryana. The eighth one, that is the Rajasthan. The ninth one, that is Punjab. And the 10th one, that is Odisha. So these all are the states which are producing more cotton in India, and the leading one is the Gujarat.